Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I make new project video Collateral Part 2. Asset you can browse against. With our innovative blockchain platform, browsers and can now easily access cash by using their passively and digital asset called will asset helpful business that needs to real found for asset with the hold winning their business or help with founding future stake purchase. Real estate, cars, finance, problem solving, collateral solving the following issues. Create accessibility, transparency, liquidity, and flexibility. Application. Stay connect anytime, anywhere. Your financial service soul travel with you with the Collateral app. Manage your crypto platform and utilize powerful financial tools right at your final step. Went a stake pick. Click here to view a demo site. Coming soon per register now. Support. Feature on the Collateral ecosystem. We are developing a stage foundation to help support and steady the Collateral ecosystem. Our expansion plan allow our Collateral to seamlessly connect it with the maturation their blockchain technology. Marketplace, automation, Counterlink, Oracle, Collateral Prime VIP membership, Insider, Token Allowance Plan, Tokenomize. Please see a breakdown of how we plan to collect the Collateral network purchase tokens. Parcel 38.0%. Listing and staking 15.0%. Marketing 13%. Team 12%. Reserve absolutely 12%. Burn event 5%. Legal and advisor 3%. Participate 2%. Token details. Token founder, Collateral token founders. Staking, governance, utility. Buy token. Project team member. Development goals. Roadmap. Help. Question. We are here to help. Development goals. Frequently asking question. Thank you, viewers.